I don't even know them. They got into it with me because it was.
She going.
Okay. Are you guys together? Your sister?
We're together.
That's my sister.
They tried to jump on me. Barry, y'all arrested me because I got dumped. I got dumped.
22.
Yes, sir. Back with another one. Man, we got another crazy one, man. People be getting on that drink, man. I be trying to tell y'all, like, it's bad, man. I'm gonna be the advocate for it. Them spirits that get up in your body, man, I'm telling you, you can't control them. You can't control them once they take over. But we're gonna go ahead and dive into it. But before I dive into it now, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell too now. Hit that notification bell so you get these videos when they drop. Get that drop when they drop so we can run it up. Let's run it up.
On August 6th, 2023, an officer in Ohio was on patrol when he spotted two women fighting outside a bar. The women were seen grabbing each other's hair and hitting each other in the head.
17, send me some unit support because I got some females fighting.
They playing. I don't think they playing.
They're broke up now, but can you send me 2 units, please? Miss, you need to stop.
Dang.
Hey, stop. No.
I wonder if she ripped all her edges out.
Stop. 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 Stay right here.
Ooh.
Nope, hey, you're not leaving yet.
Oh, I'm not with
You're not
them.
leaving.
I'm not with
You are.
No, we're not.
17. 2130. Miss, stay right there.
Stay with us.
Okay, stop. Stop.
They're not
I'm not
with
playing.
her.
Stop right there.
Nope. Sorry.
Stop. Stop.
I got dumped. I need to fight.
That's like, come on, I'm gonna help you out, but you need
No,
attention.
because you were attacking me.
You're not listening.
No, you were attacking me.
You can just stay right there.
Yeah, you were attacking me.
Boy, the sound of her voice, I know she a wild one. She was kind of thick too now. I ain't even gonna lie, but I could tell she a wild one. She might be fun, but boy, she might have you in jail. She might have you in jail because that's gonna be the one that's gonna be trying to fight you and stuff. I don't like to have them ones in my life, man. You gotta stay away from them, man. You gotta stay away from them because, boy, the trouble you get in your life, it ain't even worth it. It ain't even worth it.
Nope, you can just stay down. At this point,
Because you're attacking me.
Stay down on the ground, please.
Could you back away from me?
No, you can stay on the ground.
Can he back away from me?
Okay, you can talk to her, but you're not going anywhere.
What's going on?
Okay, you can talk to her, but you're not going anywhere.
What's going on?
I got dumped.
Okay.
Women just put their hands on me. I got dumped. I want to go to my car. I want to leave.
Okay.
I got attacked. I want to go home.
You drunk. You don't need to be driving.
Okay, well, what happened? Stay here. Tell me what happened.
I'm with my sister. I don't even know these people. They know my
sister with the green hair?
I don't even know them. They got into it with me because it was.
She going.
Okay. Are you guys together? Your sister?
We're together.
That's my sister.
They tried to jump on me.
And I
she was just trying to break it up and just protect me. They tried to jump. I don't even know these.
Who's they?
The ones in the
Her
car that tried
friends.
to pull off.
Okay, you don't know them?
Yeah, I know.
They're her friends.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
Mama.
you know them?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
That's fine.
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
That's fine, but I have no.
Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, what did I just tell you?
Mama, you stay there.
Stop.
Mama, don't fight.
Mama.
Up now. Drop the purse.
I don't even know what my key is. Oh my
Okay, you're being
God.
detained right now, okay?
It's fine.
She's being detained. She's not listening to me. She keeps walking away from me. Hey, don't pull it.
Mama, stop. Mama. Mama. Stop.
Come on now, mama.
Get on the ground now.
Feisty.
Stop it.
Get your coats on it.
Y'all real strong. Y'all real strong. Shut up. Real strong.
How many times did I tell you to stop walking away from me? Okay.
I got dumped by 3 women.
It was, and if she
I got dumped by 3 women and y'all
Ain't no
detaining
way
me.
this is my phone is.
Lakewood Police. Lakewood Police badge. What's your badge number?
52.
Denisha, come over here and get all their badge numbers. Come here.
I'm gonna put it in mine.
Yeah, record all their badge numbers. Everybody badge
Where you
numbers.
going? Where your keys?
Turn around and walk in this police car.
Can y'all get everybody badge number?
I'm just asking a question. Where she being detained?
She's under arrest for disorderly conduct and talks.
Disorderly conduct. I'm not intoxicated. You got me under my
Going to jail.
For
Lakewood
what?
jail over there.
For what? Okay, and then what?
For what?
Just stays there for about 6 to 8 hours.
For what?
They're saying you basically.
When I'm being under arrest. For what?
Stop pulling away. Stop running into
For what?
Just go ahead.
I'm gonna get everything gonna be in your driveway.
For what?
I'm about to.
Stop.
Mama,
I don't want you to get hurt.
can
You
I
have to
please talk
sit
to
in
my
this.
sister?
Ma'am,
Back
take
away.
5 steps
calm her
back.
down.
Take 5
I'm
steps
trying to
back,
help
okay?
y'all.
I appreciate that.
But I'm trying
She's
to
getting
calm her
unruly right
down.
now.
She's not gonna calm down.
Turn.
Just
I'm trying to
control her and get her away
No,
from us.
no.
Get
Control her.
Seriously?
Come on now, mama.
Get another
Can you
charge.
help us?
Mama, please corroborate.
No, they're not. Tell me.
They gotta change her nickname, man. Once you start getting grown, we can't be out here calling you mama. If you ain't nobody mama for real, cause you ain't acting like no mama out there. Mama. Girl, you need to go ahead and see. She was like a zombie. She was just like eyes just open. She just moving. She don't know what she doing out there.
Tell me your correct.
Listen, you're under arrest for disorderly conduct while intoxicated.
I
Now
ain't doing
stand
nothing.
up. Stand up.
I got dumped. No, I got dumped. I got dumped. 22. Call him. I got dumped.
Right here. Bill.
Right here.
Denise, record this. Record it. Record it.
Billman, help us lift.
Record it.
Somebody go on the other side. Yeah.
Stop.
No.
Stop it!
If you kick me, you're going to get
Stop
assault charge.
kicking
I'm not playing the game.
Don't kick me.
Stop!
What the hell? She squirmed up out of that mall.
Get up!
She got them mad too. And she ain't even got her eyes open while she don't know what she do.
I'm locked in here. All right.
How you get locked in though?
Shut your door.
No, get on your knees.
Man, y'all
Okay.
done the I didn't do. They arrested me.
Immobilize her legs.
I got her.
I got dumped.
Okay.
I got dumped and they arrested me because somebody.
Shut the door.
Alright.
We still have to book her in.
Because somebody dumped me. Because I got beat up.
Windpipe.
They dumped me.
So I want you
And
to
I tried to
immobilize
tell
her
them.
knees so I can make sure that she. Damn it!
Man, bro. What the hell?
Just shut the door at this point.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
She's making it way worse for herself.
Wow.
Yep. Close the door.
Wow.
Close it. Ready?
Officers went to speak with the other woman involved in the fight.
Hey, this one right here was fighting.
No, she wasn't fighting.
Come on.
Nobody was fighting.
Yes, she was. That one right there.
Miss, step out of the car.
With the stripes. If my
she was
sister
not.
gonna yell,
Miss.
she
No,
too.
she was not
The one with
fighting.
the stripes. On my mama.
Okay.
The one with the stripes.
No, she was not
Stop.
fighting.
Stop.
Not fighting.
Step out of the car, miss.
No, I'm not stepping out the car.
Step out of the car.
I was not fighting.
Okay.
I promise.
Why did you put me out the car?
Hey, calm
You
down.
can either step out or I can bring you out of the car. I'd rather you just step out,
I
please.
would. Ooh.
No, calm down. First
Man,
off,
that's too
calm
many
down.
different options
calm
that
down.
I like in
Okay.
real life. Like,
Calm down. First off, because nobody was fighting, man.
So,
Okay.
right, I wasn't fighting.
Sure.
Calm down.
All right.
Thank you.
Calm down.
Don't
Nobody's
touch me.
fighting.
I'm not going to touch you. I can mix
touch
you up.
Calm down. Ace. Calm
No, I know
down.
my right.
It's a misunderstanding.
Okay.
They don't know what's going on. They just trying to figure out. They think it was a fight. It wasn't a fight.
Hey, just listen,
It's
please.
okay.
Y'all think it was a fight. It wasn't a fight.
They somebody they were playing. They weren't playing.
Just listen.
They think it's a
Don't
fight.
touch me. Don't touch
Calm
me.
down.
You're right.
I know my right.
But you can't do that shit though.
Miss, I need you to come over here, please.
Just listen, bro.
Because right now you're under arrest for disorderly conduct
I'm
intoxicated.
not under arrest.
And you're going to add some stuff to it.
down.
So if you want to...
Calm down. Hey, bro, why you not listening to nobody? Hey, you're not listening to nobody. He said you're not under arrest. He said don't be. See, she's fighting. Don't act like her. Hey, don't act like her.
I'm not doing that. But you're
Adi, can you call my phone, please? I don't know where my keys are.
I don't know where my
Can
keys
you get out the car first?
You have an ID on you?
Yes, I do.
Where's your ID at?
Yes, I do. I have 2 IDs, actually.
Step out. Just step
Babe,
out.
I'm cool.
Step out the car.
I'm about to give him my ID.
Barbara,
That's what
step
he
out,
wants.
though. Calm down. You making him think it was a fight at this point.
No, I'm just trying to do what just told me to do, right? Give
Just
you
come on
my
out.
ID.
Yep.
That's it. I wasn't fighting nobody.
Shut the door. Okay.
Listen, please.
I'm
It wasn't a fight.
listening. Am I not listening?
Your hair look like you were
Am I
fighting.
making your job harder? Then what the y'all got to do?
Stop hustling and calm down.
I'm calm.
What the? She done got up out of them things. Ooh, that's a wild one. She a wild one for real.
Officers ran the woman's ID through the database to confirm her identity.
There was
I'm
something
calm.
going on after karaoke.
I copy. Thank you.
Yeah, it sounds like she
I have
got
an
hit
assault.
by
That girl bust up out of the handcuff.
I tell y'all.
No, I'm gonna
Jamal Baker.
Go ahead.
For a second.
We're not involved with this, so we're allowed to leave. So,
Well, someone's got to pay for
nobody
it.
got assault. I'm telling you, there was
No,
dancing.
I'm cool. I got a ride home.
Okay. Who's your ride home?
Is he right home?
No, he's not my ride home.
I'm trying to give her a ride home.
Okay.
But it don't matter who's my ride. I have a ride home.
Who's your ride home?
I don't have to
No,
tell
we're
you
good.
that.
Thank
That's
you.
by law. I really don't have to tell you that. I know my rights. I know my rights. Y'all have no right to arrest me. Y'all have no right to ask me any questions. If I'm good, I'm good.
You want to go home?
I'm good. I want to go home, sir.
Who is your ride?
Who's taking her
I'm
home?
gonna take her home right now.
Okay. Where's your ID at?
I don't have my ID. I got my license. I have insurance. I got my social.
All right.
The woman was issued a disorderly conduct citation and released to her sober friend.
You're taking responsibility for her. You're gonna make sure she gets home safe.
Okay.
Officers begin transporting the suspect to jail.
I didn't do nothing. You're arresting me because I got dumped. I got dumped. I'm very plausible. Nothing happened to me. Somebody beat me up and y'all arresting me. I didn't do anything. I got jumped. No, I got jumped.
Officer, you won't listen to her.
I was trying to tell my sister I got beat up.
Listen to. They gotta be on the floor somewhere. I don't. Come on. All right.
I ain't even gonna lie, she got like a strong voice. I don't know if I can date her. I like women with soft voices, not them rough, like ready to fight me voices.
What's the issue? What's wrong? Just take a deep breath. You're fine. Come on.
No, sorry. I'm telling you, I didn't do nothing to nobody. I'm under arrest.
Come out. You're fine. You were gonna come out a second ago. We're not gonna. It's fine. You're fine. Relax. All right.
Okay, miss.
Whenever you're ready, bro.
Stand right here on the circle, okay? One step to your right, and you're just gonna watch that. You need to stand up,
I'm
okay?
gonna just stand here.
You need to stand up,
He needs to
okay?
take your picture, okay? And then you can sit down.
You just need to stand up for like a minute. He needs to take your picture.
Come on.
I ain't processing that shit. I ain't did shit. You're not processing no. For what? I didn't even drive. No, I wasn't even driving.
Okay, you're so ready.
I wasn't even driving. They put me over before I even started driving. My sister was gonna drive. They put me over when we was in the parking lot, bro. My sister was gonna drive home. They put me over before we even started driving. We was in the parking lot. That's not fair. I did not even drive. My sister was gonna drive.
Hey, can you take a couple deep breaths? I
No!
know you're upset. Listen, just do it. You're upset with yourself.
No!
All right. Okay. Can you stand up?
We're gonna help you out.
All right, ready?
I can fuck you didn't even ask me. Get the okay, I can stand.
Stand up now.
You are with me, you don't even need let me answer the question.
Are you gonna answer questions?
They didn't let me.
Okay.
I can stand up alone. I can answer questions alone. Get off of me.
Okay, come up here.
Get off of me.
Come up here.
Get off
Get
of
up,
me.
get up here.
I can do that though. Without you even having to touch me. So what the you touch me for? What the did you touch me
Let's
for?
go. We're gonna go back in.
No,
Let's go.
I can answer those. I can answer every question.
Alright, well, we're going back to the cell. When you calm down.
I'm calm, dude. My question was why you didn't give me a third chance. My question was why I didn't get a third chance. I can answer.
Just put it on my
I don't know why I didn't get a third chance. Dude, it's not fair. That's how I was talking about why was I put in there then. I can answer
You need to stand up, Marche, okay? Stand
But
up.
I can do that before we put him in there. I can answer all y'all questions. Y'all like authority. Y'all love authority.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct and obstructing official business. At this time, the suspects.
Oh, mama. Why you couldn't just calm down, little baby? Like, that be the thing, man. That's why I couldn't deal with a woman that heavily drinks. Because if you going out in public like that, you gonna end up doing something you regret. Or maybe you wouldn't even regret it. I don't know. I ain't trying to find out. That means you ain't gonna be able to handle yourself the correct way out in public. Anything can happen to you. You just will be running off at the mouth. Man, just a lot of stuff that I wouldn't want to deal with. You could have just, if you would have just stayed calm and listened, you probably wouldn't have went to jail. Just like they gave the other girl a citation, they would have gave you a citation too. You messed it up for yourself. You really did. You messed it up for yourself. So it wasn't nobody else's fault but yours how your night ended. I hope you get yourself together, man, and do better, and not be drinking so much out in public, because that's not good for you. Till next time. Yes, sir.